Delloons Pro Tips. For this project, you'll need black Pro Gaff tape, Pro 714 painter's tape, UGlu strips, foam board, X-Acto knife, pencil, and a marker. Let's begin by drawing your favorite ghost outlined with the pencil on the foam board. Carefully utilizing your X-Acto knife, let's cut out your ghost shape from the foam board. Take your time during this process and also ensure that you protect your surface. In here, you'll see that I'm using a cut-it mat. Now we have our perfect little ghost. Now let's make our scary face features using Pro Gaff. I use 2 strips of approximately 6 inches in length. I make sure to draw what I wanted to cut out of the tapes. Now I'm cutting out our eyes. I made those with 2 big triangles. Now it's time for our nose, which I made with 1 smaller triangle. I'm using the second strip of Pro Gaff to create our mouth, which I'm removing here carefully. Look how cute that looks. Now I'm using this white marker to add some details to our eyes. Here it is, a super fun and easy to make ghost. Look all the fun shapes that I was able to make with this technique. Let your creative juices go crazy and have fun with this project. Now for the final touch, let's go ahead and attach our ghost to the wall using Pro 714 painter's tape to protect our wall surface and 1 strip of UGlu strip. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it. We'll see you guys on the next one.